Monroe. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming at y'all with an updated routine on how I adhere my lace frontals. A while back I did 2 videos on the boho lace tape. So the first video I did, y'all know I had an allergic reaction to it. It wasn't all that good or whatever. Then in the second video I showed you guys a different alternative as far as to how to approach the boho lace tape if you are someone who has reactions. So underneath those videos and also all over Instagram, I kept on seeing the boho extreme cream because that came out after I used the boho lace tape. So I still have plenty of boho lace tape left. I do use it on my clients and whatnot, but I really wanted to try the extreme cream. I've heard great things about it, so I went ahead and bought it. So no, this is not a sponsored video. What I purchased is the Bold Hold skin protectant, and I also got the Bold Hold extreme cream. And so I'm going to let you guys know this is probably my favorite adhesive that I have used. I have used a bunch of them. I've used Trina About That Hair Life lace glue. I have used Walker lace glue. I have used Ghost Bond lace glue. I've used a lot of different lace adhesives, and this Bold Hold extreme cream probably works the best out of everything. And I say that because my first time putting it on was last Wednesday. I tied up my hair maybe like 2 nights in a row. It might have been 3 nights in a row. After that, I didn't tie my hair down anymore, like the actual scarf around the edges. I didn't tie my hair down anymore, and the only parts that lifted up were right beside the ears, which is amazing with me being so oily and everything. So I decided that I needed to come to y'all and let y'all know how I felt about this, and I'm also going to show you guys exactly how I installed this. If you follow me on Instagram, then you see I got my new hair or whatever. I'm wearing the 613 Monroe wave hair from MONROEmob.com, and I colored this hair using paprika and Cajun spice from Adore, and I did construct this wig. So all of the hair is 613 from the root to the tip. I'm also going to be doing some more colors in the future, so if you guys want a video on how I color hair all the way to the root and not get any color on the lace, then let me know down in the comment section and I'll make sure that I get to that for y'all. So now I'm going to go ahead and hop on into how I install this wig using Bold Hold extreme cream. If you like to see it, then stay tuned.
Alright, so of course I'm starting out with cornrows. These are, I believe, like 2-week-old cornrows, and I'm taking my 91% rubbing alcohol. You want to make sure your rubbing alcohol is over 90% because it's going to get the skin super clean for your adhesive to adhere your lace. So I'm going to do that twice because I did put on makeup and I just want to make sure my skin is super clean. And then I'm going to pop my wig on my head and just see exactly where everything lays before I put on the skin protectant by Bold Hold. So I'm just taking the skin protectant on a paper towel and I am putting that all across the area where that lace is going to be. Then I'm taking an eyeliner or a lip liner pencil and I'm just going to map out my lace. So right at the very edge of the lace all the way across the front, I'm just mapping out exactly where that lays so that when I take the wig off, I have my guide. So now I'm taking my Got To Be in the black tube and I'm just using that on the very edges of my hair because right here on the side y'all can see it gets kind of close to that line or whatever, and I want to make sure my edges are protected because I like my edges. So I'm just going to put a coat on that and allow that to dry all the way. Then I'm going to take my Bold Hold Extreme cream and I'm just going to dot that all the way right there at my guideline. Of course, remember, do not go past that because that is where the lace stops. If you allow the glue to go past, it will get sticky, and that little over glue, whatever you want to call it, that little spillover does get dirty, and it's not cute at all. So that's the point of our guide, you guys, so that you know exactly where everything should go. And then I'm taking a popsicle stick and just smoothing this out. Now you can actually just put the cream like on a piece of paper or a tray, or you can put it directly on a popsicle stick or the tail of a comb and put it on like that. But I actually like this way the best. I've done it in the way where you put it directly on the popsicle stick as well. I just find that this is faster. So this is my first coat. I actually did this 3 times. I forgot to record the 3rd time, but I did get it the 2nd time. So I'm going to show you guys now. That is what it looks like after the first coat has dried down to clear. So I'm doing it again the 2nd time, and like I said, I'm going to do it again a 3rd time. It's just not on camera, and I'm spreading it out with the popsicle stick again. Now the 3rd time, you don't want it to dry all the way down to clear because I don't know, it just didn't stick very well for me when I did it like that the last time. So I did it like halfway where I can still see a little bit of white. Now when you are placing your lace frontal, you want to make sure you map out exactly where it's going before you press it down. Then once it's exactly where you want it, you want to press it down, then tie it down with a clean scarf. And I left this tied down for 20 minutes and then came back and took it off. Now I'm going to take some face powder in my shade just to go over these 613 knots because I did not tint this lace and I did not want any color on my lace at all. So I had to go through with some face powder just to camouflage those 613 knots and make them blend with my skin tone. But that's pretty much everything, you guys. Oh, I did also clean up my lace with the rubbing alcohol, and I did contour my forehead once I did that. And I did not feel the need for any baby hair. Like, I've really been on like a no baby hair kind of kick. So that's all, you guys.
Alright, y'all, so that is all of the tutorial and my review. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you hit the thumbs up button. Also, make sure that you subscribe and make sure that you check that description box. All information to my social media, Boho Lace Tape social media, the direct links to both of the products that I used in this will be there. All of the products, period, that I used in the video is going to be in the description box. Remember, I also do take video requests down in the comments, so just let me know what you want to see and I'll make sure that I get those done. And yeah, your girl is done. What? Ow, wet lace. Ow. Y'all see I had a Starburst freeze from Taco Bell. That's why my tongue is red. Y'all don't say nothing or whatever. What? Ow. My tongue matched my hair. Ow. I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.
Everything I do is lit.